What is one thing Benjamin Franklin is famous for? Benjamin Franklin was born in 1706 in Boston, Massachusetts. He started the first public library in America in 1731. From 1732 to 1758, Benjamin Franklin published Poor Richard's Almanac. The almanac included calendars, information about the weather, phases of the moon, and other useful information. Benjamin Franklin became the first Postmaster General for the United States. He set up the post office, which delivered mail and newspapers throughout the country. At 81 years old, Benjamin Franklin was the oldest member of the Constitutional Convention in 1787, where the Founding Fathers wrote the U.S. Constitution. Benjamin Franklin was also an inventor. He invented bifocal glasses. Bifocals help people see things that are close and things that are far away. He invented the lightning rod to protect buildings from lightning. He also invented many other things. Benjamin Franklin started the first public library. He published Poor Richard's Almanac. He was the first Postmaster General for the United States. He was the oldest founding father of the Constitutional Convention in 1787, and he invented many things we still use today.